Welcome students in online classes. Today we will discuss culture and intelligence. Myself Dr. Anna Mujib, Department of Psychology, Madhwadi College. What is culture or define culture? Culture here as the set of attitudes, values, beliefs and behaviors shared by a group of people communicated from one generation to the next via language or some other means of communications. According to Russian psychologist Vygotsky, argued that culture provides a social context in which people live, grow, and understand the world around them. And then, how is intelligence defined? Intelligence has been defined in many ways. The capacity for logic, understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, reasoning, planning, creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving. And now we see both a major characteristics of intelligence is that helps individual to adapt to their environment. The cultural environment provides a context for intelligence to develop. Culture is a collective system of customs, beliefs, attitudes, and achievements in art and literature. A person's intelligence is likely to be turned by these cultured parameters. Many theories have regarded intelligence as attributes specific to the person without regard to their cultural background. According to Sternberg's notion of contextual or practical intelligence implies that intelligence is a product of culture. According to Vygotsky, while elementary mental functions, for example, crying, attending to mother's voice, sensitivity to smells, walking and running, etc., are universal, the manner in which higher mental functions such as problem solving and thinking operate are largely culture produced. The relationship between different aspects of intelligence can vary across cultures with correlations that are positive in one setting, proving to be negative in other. And what is technological intelligence? Technologically advanced societies adopt child rearing practices that foster skills of generalization and abstraction, speed, minimal moves, and mental manipulation among children. These societies promote a type of behavior. It is called technological intelligence. And then technical intelligence is not so valued in many Asian and African societies. The qualities and skills regarded as intelligent actions in non-Western cultures are sharply different, though the boundaries are gradually vanishing under the influence of Western cultures. In addition to cognitive competence that is very specific to the individual, the non-Western cultures look for skills to relate to others in the society. Some non-Western societies value self-reflection and collectivistic orientation as opposed to personal achievement and individualistic orientation. That's all.